want to start the vlog, but Ari thinks that me I take a picture, so she's crying for my phone. So recap, time for the intro. Few stolen moments is all that you have your family, and they need you there. Though I try to come now, fine. Intermission because my baby looks so cute. Have a look, see. In our little pajamas, so I don't know what that means. Marissa free things come. Well, no, so then we come. Mommy is the videographer, so I don't know so if the camera now focus or if it focus. I don't know what we talked about it. But I'm going to go for a couple of my free things then. Come. I don't know, so Ari pajamas were in there. This is one of them. Ari has like 7 pajamas. Come on, dash all of the old clothes that she has sleeping now. Come, I don't want to go. Come. Okay, come, let's walk. Right, so I'm gonna try to say, but Ari won't stop interrupting me. And mommy is a bad videographer. So I'm gonna go pick up. I don't know, so I'm not telling us I have 4 packages down there. I only picked up 2. That is not Earl, mommy.
Papi.
Mr. I look at that now. My neighbor named Earl.
Papi.
He's an elder person, but I always call him by his first name, and him always a joke with me and say, so yeah, Ari start ball out Earl. I'm a 7 and know who tell him. Every time Ari pass the man yard now, Earl. But he's not there now. But true, she's so used to it, she still a pass the ball Earl. Anyways, sure. Yeah, I pick up 2 and 4 packages them were down there just because I did have to pick them up because one handbag set in it where the handbag is not really like a handbag it really flimsy, but I want to carry with me today because I'm taking Ari to clinic. She's going to get her shots today. Jesus. I want the bag for carry and want shoes in there. I free things, you know, remember say I free things, and nobody act like I pay for them, I don't know, I not have it. One shoes in there when I want to wake at work, and the shoes come. I don't know if no size never in there or what. I don't know why I take 40, and 40 is tight for me. But it don't look bad. I'm going to show it too, no? Show everything too, no? I already pull them, you know, because like I didn't want the pajama them for Ari. But I'm going to show you what in them and everything. But right now, I don't know it go. Even though Ari's a big girl, we still take our morning walks just because Ari like outside, me like outside. Stretch a little like a morning time. See mommy run about there. I'm sure she doesn't want to be seen. But yeah, I'm flip the camera. Be a rain when I live. Watch the road. Moko. Moki. All the slippers they are coming at Ari free things them. You can see it? Cozy cup. It's a little bit big. But it can wear. I mean, like he cute. So yeah, we are going to let go around and stuff. And when time we come back again, I'm showing the things them I have a busy I got some morning, but I have a busy day because I want to wash before I go to clinic. I've already Ari for go to clinic, which is a task in itself. And then I have work this evening, which I'm not sure if I go because if Ari I be extra grumpy, I don't know them normally grumpy after them get the shots. So if she'll be extra grumpy, I'm not gonna go. Sorry. Later, because Ari want flowers and it's a bitty spider. Stolen moments. Slow down, I might fall. What happened now? Then the flowers trouble your Ari? Oh, you dropped it. Go pick another one and come. Go and get another one. Look for flowers right here. So where area go way down here so? They never see some of them they red. That's what Ari. Come. Can we go? Let's go. Mommy will pick flowers for you around the corner. Okay. Slow down, Amma, you fall. You holding grandma's hand? No, you think you're big. Flowers. Flowers, you know, I say everywhere these little girls see flowers. Wanna know if you're a botanist? That's what them people in name. Okay, come.
Go.
Let's get a close-up. Let's get a close-up of the star. Smile for the camera.
Church.
Hmm?
Church.
Come, let's go. I said, but you wanted to for ear, Ivy. Right, that's about she will climb the ackee tree there.
Climb the apple tree?
Stay there. I remember the ackee tree, but I said, ackee.
You climb it?
I said the ackee about pick. Sorry, Granny, so you're gonna climb the ackee tree. Climb. Watch out. The smell flower. I said that little girl yeah old so till she can't old no more. Anyways, I'm bringing her now because she dropped a while ago. Seka? Yes, I'm sorry. So she keep on and remind me that she dropped coming. I don't know if she still a feel it. Seka, she a draw away from me. See the tractor? But we're still walking. We're not going much further. Look here, I remember what day I'm telling about the white star and somebody. Ari, please stop eating flowers. What color is the flower? Hmm? No, it's not brown. What color? It's orange. Orange flower. Good job. Wait. Yes, my one for sure. My dad said them never know. This, you can see it? Like you can see the difference, Penny? In the first place, the stem green instead of red or brown like the other one them, and see the actual sorry. Much me could all arm say I can zoom me. Yes, sorry.
Alright, stand up then. Because April is not going nowhere.
See it here. Okay. Come.
You can't go when you're ready, you see?
Okay. Alright, that's a lie. You see the bees? You see them? Or no?
Yes, sir. Give me that nice
What do the bees say? I've shown the white sorrel. See it there? So them plant like a bit among them regular sorrel. I have to taste it this Christmas. I have. Mommy, I said, when I get it, I have to taste it. What am I say? Yeah, I hardly see it for true because even right as we plant, them no plant like Wally pie. It look like people not really. It look like people not really. Yes, cow. What color is the cow? What color is the cow? Yes, bro. Yeah. Right, I saw it hard to tell because I used to it for look red, but this is it. Let me try and zoom in a little. Yeah, sorry, this is the white one. I have to taste it this Christmas, no matter how it come down. Today, yesterday my supervisor asked me, oh, I love the art, so she knows I love stay in my yard, but I have plans for them. I have plans for them because but now come to work Christmas. Yeah, I'm going to want it from now. I cannot make it. Okay. Flowers? I can't make it. I have to be there with my baby. Okay, I can't. So it's still a while. I can't want to because I know I have heavy. Come on, man. Alright, I was still going to drink her. I was still going to drink her tea. So I want to show the things very, very quickly because I don't think I'll get full wash. I think I'll get full wash. It look like rain going to fall. I just want to hurry up and reach around the clinic before it busts. So let's get into this haul. I tell you, I already pulled them. This is a bag. This is the bag where I'm going to bring to our clinic. So I did have to pull it out for steam. Very flimsy whimsy. Hello, pumpkin. Very flimsy whimsy. Bag. Hold on, let me give you one. Are you coming up? Coming up? We just take some picture of Erin in our PJs. Oh, my baby's so cute. This is another. But I don't know, I guess them one that one if it kind of be like a little cute something. But in the picture, it never look this flat. but it's fine. I don't know, I probably won't use this one. Oh, it come with a little. Okay. I guess you put this on pan here, can. Me not eat it, you know. I don't hate it, but me not know it too flat for me. But me just put something in there for fat it up. I air water just like half when I know so me have warm my water. I just like a little pouch on here can carry something in it. Oh, it comes with a strap. So yeah, I can just fling it short though. The strap short here. Yes, strap. Yeah. So that's that. I'm not gonna put them back in there because I'm telling them that I show two little things that is there. Oh, this come with a little scarf here. The type on the side. So it's not so plain. There. Yep. So I'm just gonna show two little diaper in there, diaper ointment and blah blah blah. I don't know what it works. I don't know where it goes. This is my Christmas pajama and I need to get a match. Take it out here more for me. Take it out. I need to get a matching one for my baby because my plan for me and Ari take picture in a Christmas pajama. So I want to see the print. I don't know where it go. I'm already see Ari pajama when I want for buy it. Just come with a regular black top. Yes. Ooh, honey. But I don't have time to pack up about them something, yeah. These are the shoes I'm telling you, say, coming in the free things I decide to say. I want to work in about, honestly. I don't see it, but I'm dirty, I push my foot in it. Last night, it is a little bit small, but I feel like you can wear and stretch, but I'm not 80. Them parts, like the little grey part, them, I don't know if you can tell, so it kind of, it reflects light in the night, so it kind of look like a little glow in the dark thing. Yeah, I'm not 80. I feel like I'm going to try to wear it and make it stretch. I don't know if it does need to calm. I feel like I'm too old for a take can. Can't bother with them things there. What's this? Oh, this is some crop top. Anyway, I get tired of the free things them. Come to know why I really take them, yeah? But I get tired of the free things I never know what to take. I'm going to just take them like a crop top here. It's 3 of them. I can't wait with my free joggers. 3 of them, so it come with a black, grey, and a white. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know what's the iron things. Oh, it's one more pajama for iron. I'm telling you, I'm still left to the package them down there because I could not afford them in a real life. This is another pajama. Very cute, very girly. This is the top. I have more pajama. I had like 7 pajama for Irie. I don't know if no more in a them package that we have down there store. But I'm sure say some still for come from foreign I had already. So this pajama, I really need Irie matching pajama. We need to match up for Christmas. Matching pajamas? Come on. Let me know. Oh, these are some tops. But come realize that I really look a white shirt, them I get small for her. I know I should need some top. Maybe I try to get just a white shirt, but you know the free things them filter you bad. So I'm just take what I could have get. So it come with 5. The only thing I gotta say, I think said the material was like cotton, but this is more like I don't know. It had like not silk. Spandex? I don't know. So it's 5, same thing, just different colors, black. Okay? Are you going down? Well, take this from around your neck. I'm not trust you with it. I don't trust you with that. White.
Jimmy.
No. Lavender. I love lavender. Yellow. It comes with the yellow. And pink. Yeah, my baby did need some tops. And you know the same Brett. Let me just get them bottoms there. These are shorts. It's not like a set. Like them come separately. But me I say, oh, she get some tops. She might as well get some shorts. So I just regular shorts. By the minute 12 to 18. Just regular shorts. 5 shorts to grey. Pink. This is like blue. Mustard. And again, lavender. Okay. So I have to go just fling them here one side, them and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh no, something else. Yeah. This last thing too, again, the free things them, I couldn't buy that. I just pick that something here, which I honestly, I'm not in love with. But try it on already, I never try it on phone. And it comes with these bottoms, which I don't know if I'm in love with, to be honest. But yeah, I have to clear up the bed because if you be at the iron, I have to go try to comb her ear while she need a little warm water. And then I don't know I'm gonna do because I'm hungry. I have to make one last cut wax porridge before me, like my hungry. Sorry. Ari, please take that thing out of your mouth. Ari. Yes, I'm just gonna fling them over one side because I'm not saying they want to wash, but I'm gonna just fling them over one side or fling them in the Ari. Dirty laundry. Careful of my fall. Boo. Did you poo poo? Did you poo? Mr. Iris still afraid of the potty. Please, if somebody know tips, please tell me. She is lit. Like she know when she want doodle. She will doodle and tell me say poo poo. Or sometimes she mix up poo poo and pee pee. But me know say she do something. But she's scared to go on the potty. I just that are the issue. She just afraid of the potty. I should afraid of it, Cause she still don't funny like to play with it. But me realized that I don't know if she used to be. Oh, my sister calling me. Okay. Let me sit down here because I probably I forgot just try to comb her ear quickly while she in the warm water. Have a jolly good time. You're looking at yourself? You're looking at yourself?
Get him.
Let me wash your face. There we go. Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? I love when we call her a big girl. Let's see. I'm sorry. Last time. There we go. There we go, my pumpkin. My pumpkin. My pumpkin. My little munchkin.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool. But it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know what's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Love that he
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that makes everything right. So fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
There you go, Ari. Okay, this is Iris here before she pull it up. I know she will soon. She already messed up the little edges of my neck, but not showing her because she's not dressed. Yes, but there is the hair. Iris, see your eye full of matter, you see your beard? Let me clean your eye. It's fine, it's fine. But yes, I'm gonna put two little bone thing in it, but I just not do it because I know she gonna rip them out. So I'm not do it until I'm ready. But yeah, this is it. I just didn't want to put on that little dress up on her in the meantime, but she won't allow me. So more left her with her granny and go bed, come back and ready myself, and then do the final touches to her, and we'll be ready to go.
You gonna woo woo.
You're earring. You're the earring, mommy. Are you okay?
No.
Leave your earring. Well, I just come beer. I just run come beer. Left I with her ready for run come beer because time I go after 9. You know what? So them always say if I got clinic like 8:30. But to be honest with you, from me pregnant, I always 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock I got clinic. When everybody get through and me go, I'ma just get through same time. So I love it. I don't know if me I go work. I'll see how it go. Anyways, and I said the hose back up like fish only say whole heap of rain fall. I have to jump the wall, so I know I go from the beginning. We just suck the hose. Why? And the water come out. Why? Oh yeah, I see mom with the black soap with my teeth. Mommy just relax. Be nice. I beat me down there, you know. You want to take me a beat off of me, so. And the camera run 2:45. 2 minutes 45 seconds. One more bead I could have won. That me want to notice so. Me want no dirty so? Don't do that. Yeah, I don't do it. Alright, I don't be in here. Come going in. too much information, but why every time like me done bed, me want pee pee? Like the whole time before me bed, during the bed, me don't want pee pee, but every time, as my body knows that me done bed, me have a pee pee. You talk to me right now, me a pee pee. I'm sorry, me too much. Alright, I come in, but I never bother dilly-dally with them because as I tell them, I try to get ready, so I just wait a little shorts here. It's not like a short, it's more of like a knickers short. So don't see it. I'm just going to wear a sweater here that my niece gifted to me. Come to Shell, talk about and tell people that I never see if it's a you give me. But just put on deodorant though. That's tragedy. Why look like I can't go with pan, but look at breakfast.
Okay, iron already. My hair can't be just still.
Iron easy for ready.
You ain't got the camera just still. I'm gonna pull my hair.
Oh yes, me have to fix my idiot ear. Me just wear my cap. I wonder if I gonna look weird with this. I got like one cap I steal from my baby father. Me what is that got? It's like red or like red and orange or something like that. Me wear it, you know, coming up here. Let's see. I'm gonna try to picture it.
So,
It's alright, I'm just gonna fix my ear.
take out everything out of the bag.
Aaron, why did you unpack the
And
bag?
if you show up to you,
Me just show no Aaron bubble machine earlier when me da be there. We go on the road the other day and me see this for 1,500. But me just see them online for like $4, $5. Me they go order it. But me I say after me order it, pay for pick it up, I like the same money. So me just buy, but me I go show no how it work. See it yeah? Me just turn it on, wait then. Yeah. Right now it a move slow because the original bubble water will come in at finish because I love bubbles and she rev it out. So me know say me going on YouTube now gonna look out for make bubble water. So I make back this with warm water, sugar, room temperature water and dish soap. And yeah, it a work, but it a work much slower than how it used to. Me gonna insert one video at one time. Me did just buy it. Wanna see I spit out the bubbles fast, but since me refill it myself, like bubbles still come out, but it's slow. Pop. Anyways, come no matter. Mess up yourself now. Ari loves it because she loves the bubbles. But yeah, me go fix my ear. Me just go spray a little warm water in there. Me just say warm water because I throw some water out of the kettle in there, but I don't like it have to be warm. Me never done wait on the food, but my said the cabbage just steam, so me go. I wait for my belly crazy. Now I go well if it's. Why she unpacked the bag. I'm gonna put a change of clothes in there for you. Don't look for my brush you want. Wash on your business that man you want a business. My ear need for cut now. You want cut and you want bleach but Mrs. Madia said them like it like with this length, but I don't love it because it hard for don't look a swoop they do when it's this long. I don't want to look if more wear that sweater, you know. But you just want something easy if you put on. Can't bother. Alright, Ronnie, which probably leave a clinic there now. I don't know. When me I go, me not even take a taxi. Me not change. Sorry. Yeah, one little boy coming at the gas station. One little boy and two girls or what them come to bike right at the gas station. You know, I brought baby mother that. So the girl as a team said, oh, I brought baby mother. So I see my whisper. So I know say I tell her about the YouTube and whatever. And another boy I used to go to school with, him live at Kima. Oh my god, how your name again? I think your name Philip. I think I Philip your name. I don't remember. I mean, not even know if you remember, say me and him used to go to school. And him come to a gas station and I said to him, say, you know, if you start with the YouTube, you know, the whole of my family, them watching and yeah. But if say him not tell me no name. So yeah, if I don't go Kima and you watch me big up a style. Did you throw the diapers through the window?
I'm not them.
Ain't I but you put them back in there where I go. I need to buy back one Durag. I'm buy one already and my brother teeth it. But honestly, I did have one do-rag. It like fix my ear and tie it down. I feel like I wouldn't have to fix it again. Like it could have lasted me 1-2 days. I pull up her ear a little bit, but she got stay there. I might just brush in back her little edges. 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 Texans, and a partridge in a pear tree. She run come for dumpling. Love a dumpling? Thank you. Thank you. Did you say thank you, mommy?
Ditty.
Be careful. Tell them what sound the A makes. Tell them what sound the B makes. Tell them what sound the C makes. What sound does the D make? What sound does the E make? What sound does the F make? Sometimes Erin like, what about Erin? She know all her letter sound them. But not exaggerate, she knows all her letter sounds. But sometimes she know what I'm about her. What do you mean? At this morning, I tell my sister, I chat to my sister on video call, I tell my sister, say, even though she know them, I like to ask her them occasionally, like for remind her, for refresh her brain. So the other day, I out there, I ask her, and I say, when I reach a P, come like her head chip. Because I say P, and it sound like, I think she thinks I said B. So I say P, and she said B. So I say, no, mommy, P. I said, the little girl flash me off. Skin up her face and flash me off like she said, wait, let's stop by my lady. I run go in her uncle. Yeah, sometimes she know I'm about her. So I just left her alone. But she's so brilliant. She's so smart. I don't know how I did that. How did I do that? Okay, I don't really care about my head back, you know, because I can't see it. Sorry to anybody who has seen my head back and it look offensive. Okay, this is it. I'm tired of it. One of my co-worker wants me to do her lashes today. So, but I work on still because I don't in the evening. I know, see, I early morning now. I probably go do them for her even if I don't go to work. She did ask me, I'm going to tell her, say, would I do it for her? But even if I don't go to work, I don't want to commit to it in a catch. I know, say, if I like, don't feel well, everybody get cancelled. Sorry. So I don't want to commit, but I already committed to it. From what day I say I go do my lash them shorter and see if I like it. But me I say why should I? Because I don't like short lashes, honey. I like long lashes. I don't know what to. They fry one. Yeah, they put dumpling. Alright, what is that? Hmm? Sit down on my phone, mommy. Alright, that's as much as I can bother with my ear. I can't bother with it no more. I'm probably just wear the slippers there. Obviously, I'm gonna wipe it off, maybe that. Which was also another freebie. Bird calling birds, 3 friends to turtle down. I could be called them. I can't talk to no because at 9 minutes to 10, I need to eat and get going. Adios. My girl, come out on my plate now. Watch out. And the little girl not care, you know. Burn you. We're ready. And we're going. After a whole lot of rushing, me go put the camera and make her see on the knee. She's so pretty. If she will allow me, I have to be. Say hi. Yes, I'm going to hang up on because we have to hurry up now. Let me say after 10. And I want to take 2 pictures of Iris. So, yeah, man, Sarah, she's looking real cute. Super cute. But I have my necklace on her, but I take you off. Yeah, there's. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Alright, we're late. But we reach. We'll get drive past of the way, thank god. And we wide road there, so we just get through same time. I love it. But I'm still not prepared for my baby get our shots. Them she's getting 2 today. I don't want to have any tears, but I can't guarantee. There's my baby. Nose knots on everything. And yes, I didn't shed the tears, but they were there. Because me just think, why am I forgetting to put them 2 shots one time? 1 part each hand. And she gets some drops. Like, even though me know say ultimately it's for her good, and I make it no easier for me to see her crying. I mean, know say today she's gonna be extremely grumpy. Cotton, are you wiping your nose? I know say she's gonna be really grumpy today. Summer, no. I don't know that part there gonna be calm. So now we just supposed to wait 20 minutes before we leave. Them and look for like side effects and them little things there. So just come out the door. So we are going to chill out for 20 minutes and then we'll walk around. When I get to give her the Cetamal yet, I have one Cetamal pain and fever. I don't give it to her yet. I know say I help her because she ate medicine and she already mad at me for all her down. I made the woman took her 2 times. So I don't know, I have to really friend her up. I don't know how to take that medicine. But I want to give her before the pain start to kick in. So I'm going to try to do that now. No, before we go. No man, I'm not leave. I want to see how I have to trick her into drinking this. I have to give her and like not force it. I make she think of her idea. So now she drink it and I say yummy. When she put it, mommy get some. I said I have to do it, you know. Mommy get some now. Yummy. You drink some now? Yummy? Yummy? Mommy get some? Mommy get some? So see there, I will leave it in there. That's how she takes time to drink it. So I have to just continue so until she drink off all eyes. Because I have to make she drink it before she start feel pain and get miserable. Yummy? And you know what the worst thing? If I did me a gear, she didn't drink, you know? No, it's dirty. I should keep on call it tissue. I can't tell her say a cotton. It's cotton. Oh boy. Mommy some now? Mommy get some? Mommy get some? Yummy? Yummy? So make a day so I'm going full with her until she drink off all her medicine. I'm going to wait up with 20 minutes. I need to check out what time because I can't bother to stay around here. I say, we are going, I don't want to drive, we carry road, you have to left, we go back. But if anything, I know say I have to carry her because she not go walk now. But know for sure say she not go walk now. But them have Christmas tree around here. It almost finished, see there? She not put it in her mouth again, you know. So we are going to make she drink our medicine and the same people up again. Where are you going? Come here, mommy. Come. You see her fast. Ooh, careful. Must say I'm a supervisor. I see when me I come around and she pick me up, you know, and drop me. I'm sorry if I tell you, I love me not coming to work. I can't make it in today. I have to stay with my boo-boo. I have to stay with my baby. Okay, I can't make it. Anyways, me don't know. I give her the medicine, as I know say. So if she not be like extra grumpy, me we still go. Because that's a bad girl need a little money. So see how that go. Okay, we're leaving now. I say, I really did have I wanted them in my eye, you know, all the time, and I should never see your area cry, you know. And I feel say, Irie remembers the clinic. And I feel that she remembers say every time she come around here, she get a shot. Irie just what? You want to walk?
No.
Hmm? Neck? Where's the neck?
No.
You know. You understand her, boy? I don't know.
Nick.
That's your cheek. Where's your neck?
Nick.
Where's your neck? Where's mommy's neck?
No.
You know. Where's mommy's neck?
No.
She know. Anyways, because I will just sit down on the scale, if we get our weight, or if we measure our head, or the circumference of our head, and she a cry, I mean. No, like a baby crying, no, cry. And worse, when she go in at the office where she go get the joke, nobody can tell me say she no remember. She start crying immediately and I open the door and I say, outside, but no, she remember, she traumatized. Rhoda traumatized her. I not ask. But she get the shot, then the worst is over. I want them in my eye, but I never want the nurse to see me a cry and think me an idiot, so I have to suck them up back. But she look like she feel better because she did run up and down and something while we have to wait. She don't walk up and down, be herself. But you know, so as the day progresses, she could get a little bit fussy because even though I give her the Cetamol, it might still hurt a little bit. So just to go and monitor, and if she needs some extra love today, y'all know I don't have no problem giving that to her. Oh. But me have to put her down because I don't think she'll go really walk. I don't think she'll go walk, so take my little time walk, because even though I'm in my community, the clinic there is still a decent little walk from which farm I live. So I don't mind me see her next drive. I already run out of breath. So I'm going to take my close out the vlog, yes. So yeah, I'm going to see you the next time. The girl tired. Bye. Say bye, Ira.